Calculating percentage of number with Tensorflow. I have tried this. I am not seeing any numbers. I want to get the percentage done by Tensorflow. Kindly, let me know what I am missing here. Even when I tried evaluating, I got session-based error. It's true that I need to establish session, but do not know how I can call it inside. Please let me know if I missed something.
Try this, it will certainly help. You can refer to simple example. This URL. Hope this helps.
In the print statements you get, and other such statements. This is because Python is printing out the tensor objects and not their values. There are two methods to solve this. Enable eager execution. This will enable eager mode and you will get values of the tensors instead of the tensor objects. This initializes the tensors immediately as they are declared, and hence eager. Using tf.session, a tf.session objects runs and evaluates tensors in the graph. It runs on graph mode and not eager mode.